Adjust the image quality in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
1. Click on your video footage, selected and highlighted. The step is to go to the bottom right hand screen. To the right, you see the option, should say video quality. Click it. Now we want to click the third option, which says image quality, because basically this is how you can adjust the image quality with these three features. Keep in mind that it is a pro feature. Basically it's applying the feature, and it's now currently on HD. If you roll this to the right, it's now going to be on UHD for this to load, and basically this is going to make your video look better. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can click the check mark on the bottom right hand screen. This is what we have. As you notice right off the bat, the video should be a little bit more pixelated, or should I say a higher quality versus less pixelated, completely for free.